I'm Dr. Anirban Deep Banerjee, Senior Consultant Neurosurgeon, Medanta Hospital, Gurgaon. As we all know, April is the World Parkinson's Awareness Month, 11th April being the World Parkinson's Day. And in this regard, we would like to elucidate a little bit on this chronic and debilitating disease known as Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disease which leads to abnormality in the movements of the hands and legs with time, specifically in terms of shaking of the hands, stiffness and slowing of activities, difficulty in walking and so on. The disease can be managed well when diagnosed appropriately with a combination of medications, physiotherapy and if need be deep brain stimulation surgery. Parkinson's disease usually is a disease of advancing age. Patients in their 5th and 6th decade usually start developing the symptoms. It is mainly a sporadic disease. That means that heredity doesn't have much role in this. Less than 10% of the patients with Parkinson's disease have any hereditary association. Parkinson's disease has a lot of mimickers which have similar symptoms and signs of Parkinson's disease, but the management of those diseases is completely opposite to a Parkinson's disease patient. The two basic differences of these Parkinson's disease mimickers from Parkinson's disease are those mimickers don't respond to Parkinson's disease medications, and there is a rapid decline in the condition of the patient who suffer from those Parkinson's disease mimickers as compared to a slowly progressive nature of a Parkinson's disease patient. Parkinson's disease can be suspected in view of certain early warning signs, for example, subtle shaking of the hand, a change in handwriting, loss of smell, insomnia, new onset constipation, gradual stooping of posture or difficulty in walking, a soft or low voice, a feeling of dizziness or imbalance in walking, and generalized slowness of movements. If diagnosed early, the Parkinson's disease can be managed effectively with medications and structured physiotherapy, which also leads to decreased rate of progression of the disease. So yes, early diagnosis of Parkinson's will definitely help the patient. Parkinson's disease usually responds to medications for around 5 to 8 years, after which there is a gradual decline in the response of the medications, as well as there are associated side effects of long-term use of medications. For example, if the medication is working, one tablet of the medication is working around 6 hours, with progression it might happen that the same medication might not give an effect to the patient more than 2 hours. So these signs of decreased response to medication as well as increasing side effects to the medications are signs that the disease is progressing and is becoming slowly refractory to the medications, and at that moment comes the role of a unique surgical therapy known as deep brain stimulation surgery, whereby we stimulate specific areas of the brain with the help of fine electrodes, and which helps in reducing the symptoms of Parkinson's disease patients who are no longer responding to medications, and this leads to overall improvement in the quality of life.